Still doing your concrete takeoffs by hand? Meet the JPC Toolset for Bluebeam, built specifically for Division 3 concrete work. Takeoffs for footings, slabs, rebar, and foundations faster, smarter, and more accurate. Just click and place. Each item comes preloaded with custom data, so your lengths, areas, and material counts fill in instantly. No more flipping between tools and spreadsheets. With built-in labor and material columns, your quantities are ready for export. And your estimates are ready in half the time. It's a one-time license with no recurring fees. Use it across your team, all inside Bluebeam. No extra software needed. This tool paid for itself in one project. Book a live demo today and discover how much time JPC Toolset can save your team. JPC Toolset, built by estimators for estimators.